Hey, this is ChiefTONE-TONE 59, and I'm here for back for another Disney figurine review. Yep, there are more figurines that I've got to show you, and that I have to show you. Sorry if I'm messing up my dialogues here, but I'm trying my best to make this video very interesting to you guys. So today, today's figurine is I'll be reviewing is the Lion King sculpture. So let's get to it. This is it's based on the 1994 film The Lion King. Many of you have I'm sh- I'm pretty sure many of you have seen The Lion King. If if not if you didn't see it, I recommend you do, but by going on Disney Plus service. Go go to Disney Plus and watch it. Watch it. It's pretty awesome. So, anyways, onto the figurine sculpture. So, this figure, this figurine includes four characters: Pumbaa, Simba, Timon, and Zazu. Each character is stack to stack from top to top. Huh. So let's go ahead and rotate it so you can see the whole thing. We've got the front row. Now here's the other side row. Now let's go to the back row. Hmm. Okay. Now you've seen it. Seen it all. Now, let's talk about its measurement. The the figurine's weight is about 2.2 and its length is 4.7 and its height is weighs 8 ounces. So this figurine is really not that huge as you would expect it to be if you guys purchase and collect figurines. This probably may be the very miniature size to buy, but it's still really cool. No matter what, I always like it. Well, this has been my Lion King review. Oh, I almost forgot to show you. Let me take a look at the bottom part. The name of it is called Balance of Nature. That's the name of that's what it's called. That's the what this figurine is called. It's called Balance of Nature. So I hope you guys enjoyed this figurine review. Again, if you didn't see The Lion King, go watch it on Disney Plus. It's my it's my one of my top 5 favorite Disney movies, and I'm sure many of you have loved it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you till then. Take care, and Hakuna Matata to you all.